Okay, expert category, first hit, expert. So managan dia Joshua Velarde, Jesse Pineda. Oy, GBW is here. Uyawa gini mga taga Digos, oy. Tatalpitan.
Okay, arrivals.
Fresh from Naga, Kimboy Pineda. So, Ray Ray Bait It and Jello Leonardo. So, muna itong mga expert rider dere sa Libungan, North Cotabato. Happy Fiesta Libungan! Ayan na! Binitawan na! Wow! O sige natin whole shot. Whole shot! Ray Ray Bait Bait! Wow! Triple! Ayun! Nakakauna, Ray Ray Bait It! Ayun, no? Joshua Velarde! Gilo Leonardo! Kimboy, Jesse, and GBW! Yan! So, Ray Ray Bait It on the lead. Ayun, no? Expert Pursuit, Expert Pursuit. Ray Ray Bait It on the lead. Wow! Wow, triple! Ayan, nakuha si Jello ni Joshua. So, Joshua Velarde na on second. Jello Leonardo on third. Kimboy Pineda on fourth. Jesse. Ayun, no? Wow, high speed by Ray Ray Bait It. On triple, Joshua Velarde on triple. Gilo Leonardo. Ayun, no? Yan. Wow. 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 Sabi mang lupa day. Ray Ray Bait It from Lantapan, Bukidnon. Got the lead in this category, followed by Joshua Velarde from Digos City, and then Jello Leonardo from Usamis, Kimboy Pineda from Tagum City, and Jesse Pineda from Tagum City. Yeah, GBW. Wow, Ray Ray Bait It. Pero Joshua Velarde andyan lang sa likuran. Outside. Ayun, no? Expert Pursuit, Expert Pursuit. Wow. Ayan, Jello Leonardo. Ray Ray Bait It leading. Yan, no? Wow. Joshua Velarde on second. Ray Ray Bait It. Wow! Grabe, bay! Pinasayaw pa sa ibabaw ang motor, oh. Ray Ray Bait Bait. Wow, Jello Leonardo and Kimboy Pineda. Inside Kimboy, outside Jello. Ayan. Dikit ang bakbakan. Kimboy Pineda versus Jello Leonardo. Ayan, Jesse Pineda. Dikit bar to bar. Oy, nakuha gid si Jello ni Kimboy. Ayan, Ray Ray Bait It. Break away na by Ray Ray Bait It. Break away, Randall Bait It. Breakaway by Randall Baitit. Yan. Wow. Ray Baitit. Breakaway. Joshua Velarde on second. Oh, Jilo Leonardo on fourth place. Ayan, Ray Baitit. Outside, triple. Wow. Yan. Wow! Sabi bay. Ray Baitit. Yan o. Second, Joshua Velarde. Third, Kimboy Pineda. Wow. So, Ray Baitit. Breakaway. White flag for Ray Baitit. Wow! Wow naman! Grabe bay. So, Joshua Velarde on second and Kimboy Pineda on third. Last lap. White flag. Ayan o, Jilo Leonardo. Last lap for Ray Baitit. Ayan. Last lap. Inside. Ayan. Checkered flag for Ray Baitit. Ayun no. Wow. Checkered flag. And then second, Joshua Velarde. Ayun no. Checkered. Kimboy Pineda on third. Jilo Leonardo. Ayan, checkered flag, Kimboy, Jelo, and then Jesse Pineda.